wait on other people to be what you've been called to be. You can't wait on their affirmation. You can't wait on their...
Hey, what's up? It's Kate, just popping in to explain some stuff because this was one of the most stressful video experiences of my life. So there's actually quite a bit of footage missing because I just forgot to film part of the process. So I just need to pop in here and there, explain what's going on. But before we get started, I just want you to know that we don't just dye my hair once in this video. We dyed about 3 times. The plan was to do some balayage in my hair. You know, that part's fine, but you'll find out. Anyways, I just feel like you need to know that this video did not go as planned, but hopefully that makes it more entertaining for you guys. This is just to cover up the end result so that you don't see what's going on yet. So I'll just let you watch my video and have fun. We went to get Starbucks. We got distracted and went to Shoppers and bought some bleach and hair dye and a hair mask. So what we're gonna do is bleach my hair. But we are going to attempt ombre. Rachel has dyed hair before. She's a makeup artist, but she also has some hair skills. But we don't know if this is actually going to turn out or not, so it's a risk that we're willing to take. But worst comes to worst, I dye my hair dark again, and my hair might be a little bit fried. Let's hope for the best. So this is the bleach that people normally use before they use colorista dye, but obviously I'm not using colorista dye. I'm just gonna put in this dark golden blonde so that it's not too light in my hair. And then we're gonna be doing a hair mask just so that my hair doesn't completely die. We're filming this right now just in case it goes bad.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I don't think it'll go bad though. I've already done this before.
Do you have a toner?
No.
And you can come over whenever. You can be here for the experience if you'd like.
I am so reckless when it comes to my hair. It really doesn't matter.
You are.
YOLO! You only live once!
You only live one time and your hair grows every time. So that made no sense. Your hair grows continuously for the rest of your life.
Hairdresser who? I don't know her.
Bye. Ow! Sorry. I brushed it so many times.
And put it on my nose.
Ew, okay.
Never get a friend that's as ADHD as you because you'll end up doing shit like this. FaceTime me, I'm doing something really stupid.
Your message says FaceTime me, I'm doing something really stupid. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Now we wait for the bleach to kick in and we're just chilling, jamming to some Billie Eilish. This is what my hair looks like before the hair dye and this is what my hair looks like after the hair dye. It doesn't look too bad. Okay, so hi, it has been a while since last time I filmed. We just cut my hair again because we decided that the last haircut wasn't enough. So for more context, we ended up deciding, well, Rachel actually texted me and said, I want to dye your hair again and also cut it. And I also agreed that my hair was definitely damaged, not just from that experience, but from previous hair experiences. And it's just been a long time since I've had a good, decent haircut. So we decided that it was time for us to cut off all the dead ends but also lighten it and actually do it with professional products. And she has access to professional products because she is a certified makeup artist. She's able to go to the stores where actual hairdressers get their hair coloring stuff. So we went there and we picked up the stuff and that's basically what I'm talking about right now. I just didn't give enough context. So that is what we are about to do and we cut off all the dead ends so my hair shouldn't be too damaged after this, hopefully. But the 2 toners that I got, one is a sheer pastel violet and the other one is an extra light blonde pearl. So hopefully it's not too like warm toned. I know when we did it last time we didn't have toner so it was pretty warm toned. I don't hate it because I don't know, I like warm tones anyway. Hopefully this will be a lot more successful than the last time. So let's just see what happens. Okay, now this is the part where she re-bleaches my hair with professional bleach and she did a great job at that, but here's the kicker. We used the wrong toner. My hair was orange It was bright orange. It was the worst night ever. I was up tossing and turning all night thinking that my hair was going to stay like this, and I texted her at 4 in the morning and said, we need to go get new toner tomorrow as soon as I wake up because I am about to have a meltdown, and I have never cared this much about my hair, but oh my god, it was the worst my hair has ever looked in my entire life. She also had the audacity to tell me that it didn't look bad so that I would go out to the bar with her, and I went. I mean, I knew it looked bad, but I went anyway, and I saw people I knew, and it was, I can't, I don't even have words, okay? I had to go pee when I was at the bar, and I had to literally avoid looking in the mirror because I looked so bad, like so bad, and everyone was trying to make me feel better, and I knew it was bad, and everyone was lying to me, and I'm just so angry. I'm so angry. So this is the next day, and this day was quite stressful. So first thing in the morning, I woke up, and we did not have a car or drives to go to the store until my friend Maddie texted me, and I called her immediately and asked if she could help with this crisis. So she came to pick us up, drove us to the store. We got some toner with extensive research that was done that night because she knew how stressed I was. I was doing research, she was doing research. This is Rachel I'm talking about. We went, got the toner, came back, she did it for me, and halfway through we realized we need more. So while it was sitting in my hair, Maddie and Rachel went back up to the store, got another tube of toner, came back down, and finally we rinsed it out, and it looked really good, but she didn't want me to see it yet because I hadn't seen it yet. So this is me looking stupid with my eyes closed because she wanted me to not see my hair until the final moment when she had it all done, and this is my reaction. Oh, I really like that. This is so much better than the orange. I literally thought that we ruined my hair for life. This is so good.
Yeah.
Oh my god. It's even darker than I thought it was going to be, which I like.
Yeah, I know. I want to take a picture of the back so you can see.
Oh my
it's
god.
so nice. You should see the back.
This
Wait,
is so
let me
much
take a picture.
better. It's so much better.
Yeah.
I actually am in shock right now. That was so bad. Like, you've probably already seen the photos at this point in the video, but that was so bad. I was like
not okay.
I was up all night last night thinking about it.
She texted me at 4 a.m. and she goes, I can't sleep. Like, I'm having so much anxiety.
It was honestly like one of the most stressful experiences of my life. It really wasn't. I'm just dramatic.
Oh my god. And yesterday she kept asking me. She was very quiet and I was like, it doesn't look that bad. It's actually kind of cute.
I was like, it's not cute. I was like staring at myself trying to like it in the mirror, and I was like, no. Like, we effed up big time. Yeah. That toner that I talked about yesterday did not work. We went and got a completely new one, and then it finally worked. So I am so happy. A few things you can learn from this video if you are going to take anything away is that, for one, bleach from the drugstore doesn't really work that much. Like, it lifted the color a little bit, but after a little bit it just stopped bleaching my hair, so I don't even think it was real bleach. I think it was like a lightener or something. I don't really know. The second thing is that you need toner. Toner is super important, and you have to do extensive research to make sure you're getting the right toner for your hair color and the right level. I still don't fully understand it, so I'm glad Rachel was there. Make sure you have someone that understands the color wheel. Luckily, both her and I understand the color wheel, but she did all that research and finally it worked out. But the last thing you can learn from this video is that you should only bleach your own hair if you have very healthy hair. If not, it will fry your hair. My hair is actually feeling pretty good right now because it's all freshly cut, but it could have gone really, really badly, especially if Rachel had zero training in this area. Learn from my mistakes. Please make sure you know what you're doing before you do things. If you like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!